AeroHT Hybrid Helicopter. The AeroHT Hybrid Helicopter is a trailblazing innovation that blends electric propulsion with conventional aviation fuel to create a hybrid-powered rotorcraft. This cutting-edge design prioritizes environmental sustainability by reducing emissions and noise levels without sacrificing performance. Equipped with advanced aerodynamics and energy management systems, the AeroHT Hybrid Helicopter is specifically designed for urban environments where efficiency and reliability are paramount. Its hybrid nature ensures a longer range compared to all-electric aircraft, making it ideal for urban-to-rural connectivity. Joby S4. The Joby S4 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that aims to redefine urban air travel. With a range of up to 150 miles and a top speed of 200 miles per hour, this aircraft is designed to connect cities and suburban areas with unprecedented speed and convenience. The S4's sleek, lightweight design incorporates 6 rotors for near-silent operation, making it ideal for noise-sensitive urban settings. With a focus on safety and environmental impact, the Joby S4 is powered entirely by electricity, ensuring zero emissions. As one of the most advanced eVTOL prototypes, it is at the forefront of the growing air taxi industry, offering an innovative solution to reduce traffic congestion. Plana eVTOL aircraft. The Plana eVTOL aircraft is an all-electric flying machine engineered for versatility, sustainability, and comfort. This revolutionary vehicle features multiple rotors that enable vertical takeoff and landing, making it perfect for navigating congested urban landscapes and connecting regional hubs. The Plana's design combines aerodynamic efficiency with cutting-edge battery technology, allowing it to cover moderate distances with minimal environmental impact. Inside, the aircraft offers a spacious cabin tailored for passenger comfort, making it a great option for both commuters and leisure travelers. By seamlessly integrating innovative engineering and green technology, the Plana eVTOL is paving the way for a cleaner and faster future of air travel. VoloCity. The VoloCity by Volocopter is a groundbreaking air taxi designed to revolutionize short-distance urban travel. This all-electric aircraft boasts 18 rotors, offering unmatched stability, redundancy, and safety. Capable of flying up to 22 miles at a speed of 68 miles per hour, the VoloCity is perfect for short hops across dense metropolitan areas. Its compact design ensures compatibility with urban infrastructure, allowing it to operate seamlessly from dedicated vertiports. With rigorous testing already underway, the VoloCity is expected to be one of the first air taxis to enter commercial service. Its vision is clear: to reduce traffic congestion and provide a faster, more sustainable way of moving around cities. Goodyear Aero. The Goodyear Aero concept pushes the boundaries of transportation by combining road and air travel into a single futuristic vehicle. At the heart of this design is a dual-function tire system that doubles as a rotor for flight, enabling seamless transitions between driving and flying. Powered by AI for autonomous operations, the Aero offers a versatile solution for cities where space is at a premium. Its propulsion system is entirely electric, emphasizing sustainability and efficiency. Although still in the concept phase, the Goodyear Aero represents a bold step toward rethinking mobility, promising a future where vehicles are as capable in the skies as they are on the ground. XPeng AeroHT X3. The XPeng AeroHT X3 is China's ambitious take on the flying car concept, designed to bridge the gap between road vehicles and lightweight aircraft. This hybrid vehicle features retractable rotors that allow it to function seamlessly as both a car and a plane. The AeroHT X3 is engineered for urban commuters looking to bypass traffic congestion with ease. Its electric propulsion system ensures that it operates quietly and sustainably, while its compact design makes it practical for everyday use. XPeng's vision for the X3 focuses on affordability and accessibility, making personal air travel a reality for a wider audience in the near future. Odys Aviation eVTOL. The Odys Aviation eVTOL is a hybrid electric aircraft designed to revolutionize regional air travel by providing a sustainable, efficient, and comfortable flying experience. Its innovative propulsion system combines electric and traditional fuel technologies, allowing for extended range and versatility compared to fully electric models. The Odys eVTOL is equipped with a spacious cabin, making it ideal for business or leisure travel. With its ability to take off and land vertically, it eliminates the need for long runways, enabling it to serve both urban and remote areas. By blending sustainability with practicality, Odys Aviation is set to become a major player in the next generation of air transportation. Klein Vision Aircar. The Klein Vision Aircar is a fully functional flying car that embodies the dream of seamless transitions between driving and flying. Equipped with foldable wings, the Aircar can switch from a car to an aircraft in just under 3 minutes. Powered by a robust combustion engine, it offers a cruising speed of 100 miles per hour in the air and smooth performance on the road. Recently, it achieved a significant milestone by completing certified test flights, marking a major step toward making flying cars a commercial reality. Compact and practical, the Aircar is ideal for personal use, offering a new dimension of mobility for adventurous travelers. Terrafugia TF-2. The Terrafugia TF-2 is an innovative modular aircraft that redefines the concept of versatility in transportation. Its unique design features a detachable pod system that can operate as both a ground vehicle and an air transport module. Once the pod is attached to the flight module, the TF-2 can take off and fly to its destination, offering a seamless door-to-door travel experience. With a focus on cargo and passenger transport, the TF-2 is designed to cater to both urban commuters and logistics companies. By integrating ground and air mobility, Terrafugia's TF-2 represents a bold step toward creating a truly interconnected transportation network. Orb Nomad. The Orb Nomad is a luxurious eVTOL concept that combines cutting-edge technology with a focus on passenger experience. Designed for high-end travel, it features a spacious cabin with panoramic windows for breathtaking views. Its electric propulsion system ensures quiet and sustainable operation, while AI-assisted navigation provides a smooth and efficient flight experience. The Nomad is designed for both personal and business use, offering a premium solution for those seeking speed and convenience in their travels. With its sleek design and futuristic features, the Orb Nomad is not just an aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury aviation.